Here we have an installation of approximately 85 square yards of Airo carpet. This Fresh Start 2, which is a multi-tone carpet. The Airo carpet was selected because of its hypoallergenic capabilities. It doesn't absorb any moisture and it prevents the growth of any allergens, mold or mildew. And the carpet is also has a felt backing. Okay, this type of carpet is installed excuse me, without tackless, no nails, no glues. It is laid down, doesn't have to be stretched in, is dimensionally stable, and it is installed over any kind of surface, particularly for situations where you have, let's say, a basement where you have certain amount of vapor the carpet breathes. It prevents any moisture that is in concrete. So again, it prevents any mold or mildew situations. Also, the carpet is installed over, let's say, a hardwood floor or a ceramic floor where this carpet is going to be installed today. So in the event at one point the carpet needs to be picked up or can be picked up, the floor is undamaged. There's no nails, no gluing going on. So it's perfect for this type of installation. So we're getting ready to install this installation. Again, about 85 square yards. It's actually in a living room and dining room area, hallway. Again, as you can see, the hypoallergenic carpet, and it's VOC free. There is no glue or adhesive of the backing because the felt back is basically sewn into the backing. So this is a very unique carpet by Mohawk, and we're getting ready. We have 3 large cuts here ready to go, and it's going to be installed in 3 separate sections. And in the doorways, what we use to finish it, we have this vinyl end cap that'll go in all doorways and finish all the edges. So this project is underway, and we're going to go over and see it started. So here we are on a job site. Furniture's moved and ready to go. This is the ceramic floor we'll be covering. Again, about 85 square yards. It's going to run all the way down into this hallway, all the way forward, all through this area. So this is one of the advantages of the Airo carpet with the felt back. Installed right over this. No glue, no stapling. So in the event when the carpet needs to be picked up, it can be reused, made into area rugs without any damage to the floor. So we're going to be starting this installation shortly. And here the installation begins, laying out the largest piece, a 25-foot piece, and getting it all set and moving forward into the dining room. There you can see that full felt backing right over the ceramic tile. And here we have the final installation of about 85 square yards of Mohawk Airo carpet. The only hypoallergenic carpet on the market with that felt backing. Finished everything with our vinyl edges where appropriate. So this is all through the living room, dining room, and this open area. So this completes this project of this Airo carpet. Fresh Start is the style. So if you want to see more videos, go to our website at fashion-carpets.com. Go to our video galleries to see other installations of other types of flooring. And while you're there, if you could please subscribe to our YouTube channel, it would be greatly appreciated. There's a nice little doggy. So thank you for watching.